Welcome back to the Wider Spectrum of Power video series. I'm Tommi Puomisto, I'm the marketing manager for Akko Power, and with me here is Kari Aaltonen. He's the director of engineering for Akko Power. And in the previous episodes, we've talked about the future and current state of the internal combustion engine and what HVO fuels could bring to the off-road applications. Today, we're going even deeper into the potential fuels of what internal combustion engines could use. Kari, could you tell me what those potential fuels could be?
Okay, thank you, Tommi. Like you said, the HVO is already available. It's a drop-in fuel, and so no problem with at all with that fuel. So it's easy to us. It's available, can be used today. But then there are those short-term options like the biomethane and ethanol, especially in South America, Brazil, where they produce those fuels and they are available. Then there are these long-term options like the hydrogen, methanol, eFuel, which is a synthetic fuel made out of the hydrogen.
Okay. And I guess some of these are closer today. As you said, HVO can be used today, and then eFuel and others might be further along in the future.
Yeah, exactly so. And also we have to focus what is the application using these fuels.
Okay.
And we know it quite well that some of our customers have small machines with low duty usage, so they can use the gas, or it can be even an electrified machine with the batteries. But when we look at the forest machines or heavy duty tractors in agri usage, our farmers in the field, so they need a liquid fuel. And in that case, HVO is still unbeatable compared to the other alternatives, but methanol is a good option as well.
Okay, so a lot of different applications, a lot of different potential fuels. I mean, it sounds like, I'm sure all of these variables have need for testing. So you need a lot of testing and testing capability. How do we do that?
Yeah, exactly. And for that reason, we made a big investment for Linnavuori. We built a new clean energy laboratory where we test these fuels, and we wanted to accelerate our development to get our machines or engines ready for these different future alternative fuels. So that was a big investment. And in that laboratory, we can test gaseous fuels, liquid fuels, and also electric components.
Okay. And the main idea is then to get potential in the future, these solutions to the end user faster.
Exactly. Accelerate our development. And it's so important that we understand those fuels, what they need from our engines and what they need from the machines, and also how our customers can use them in the field. Like said, as an example, the forest machines, they cannot fill their machines every hour and so on. So the autonomy has to be much longer. Okay. So we want to develop the solutions which fits perfectly to our customer needs.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it sounds like this Clean Energy Lab is a major step to us being a thought leader and making sure that the technology keeps going forward. So at the moment, it looks like the internal combustion engine still has a bright future ahead. It has a lot of potential. We have a lot of potential fuels that we can use to reduce the emissions, and we have the capability to test and accelerate the getting that technology to the farmers, to the forestry machine users, to any off-road users. I mean, thank you, Kari. Thank you for this update on the potential of the internal combustion engine and what the technology around that looks like. So make sure you look at the previous episodes, looking into the state of the internal combustion engine, as well as going deeper into the HVO fuels. So stay tuned, look at the Akko Power channels, join the conversation, and thank you for coming and thank you for joining. The future looks clean and bright.